Hey guys, I will try to show you how to resolve this modular control rig issue, which is happening in Unreal Engine 5.4.3, which is the latest version, I think. So let me quickly show you what's happening. If you go to the control rig, and if you try to create a modular rig, let's call it modular tests, select our mannequin queen, for example. So once you dragging and dropping these modules into the mannequin, for example, once you reach the legs, and you will see once you apply it, actually you will see this weird result. Actually, with this happening, basically the pole vector is looking into the ground, if you notice that. So basically the module actually doesn't know where the pole direction is, which direction the pole vector is looking at. So what are we gonna do? Just go to the ARM module here, just double click on it, and here just click anywhere, press Ctrl F, because we are gonna find something. Search compute pole vector, search with compute pole or whatever, you will see two results. And let's go for the first one, which is under match two bonds I key onto F key. Just click draw transform boolean value, set it to true. This is so stupid, but unless the pole vector is drawn, Unreal Engine doesn't know where the pole vector is, which direction it is looking at. So just enable this draw transform, and let's go to the another one, and down here compute pole vector. We're gonna do the same thing, draw transform, and compile and save it. And then you can close this arm. Because actually what we have done is we have changed from the function library, which is being used in leg module as well. So we are just going to open leg and just click compile. That's it, because the leg is using the same function library. Actually, once you compile, you will see the forward vector is actually correct. So you can close this one now. And you will see your controller actually acting correctly after that. Let's try to put these ones as well really quick. It's gonna be shoulder, these are gonna be arm, we have neck over here. Let's go with the fingers quickly. The only missing part is feet. And then you can compile and save. Let's go to the level. We can drag and drop. We can go here, control module, the global controller here, because we are gonna toggle this I key options here. So once you toggle, actually you will see the pole vectors are correct, and once you try to use the I key mechanism, it's gonna act correctly. Yeah, actually that's basically it. I don't know what the Epic guys have done over there, but yeah, unless the pole vector is drawn, the Unreal Engine doesn't know where the direction is. Yeah, that's how you can resolve it basically.